Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're here to assist you in converting 8 pounds to kilograms. Are you ready to convert 8 pounds to kilograms? Let's dive right in. First, let's recall the conversion factor. 1 pound is approximately equal to 0.453592 kilograms. To convert pounds to kilograms, all you need to do is multiply the number of pounds by this conversion factor. Let's walk through an example. Suppose you have 8 pounds of flour that you need to convert to kilograms. We start by multiplying 8 by 0.453592. This gives us approximately 3.628736 kilograms. But what if you want to convert 8 kilograms of sugar into pounds? No worries, it's just as straightforward. To convert kilograms to pounds, you need to divide the number of kilograms by the conversion factor of 0.453592. Let's walk through an example of how to convert 8 kilograms of sugar to pounds. We start by dividing 8 by 0.453592. This gives us approximately 17.63698 pounds. Remember to round this number to the nearest hundredth, so our final answer is approximately 17.64 pounds. And there you have it. Converting 8 pounds to kilograms and 8 kilograms to pounds is a breeze once you know the conversion factor. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Visual Fractions for more informative content. Thanks for watching.